Hello guys, good morning to each and everyone. I want to share to you guys our breakfast for today. This is a fresh and healthy breakfast guys. We have lettuce and we have fresh tomato and cucumber. And we have egg boiling and we have bread. And for our fruits, we have orange and we have blueberry and we have kiwi and we have corn guys, and this is it our uh, video for today that I want to share to you guys. This is our healthy breakfast and our uh, the one if we put in the top of the bread, we have olive the meat. This is it guys, we put on the top on our bread and we together our vegetables. And thank you for watching guys for today's video. This is it guys, and this video is I want to share for you guys our healthy breakfast for this morning. And we make this our breakfast here in the house and all. This is our breakfast, but they have another thing that I don't finish to make it, and this is first I want to show you guys our uh, breakfast for this morning. And thank you for watching guys, and don't forget to subscribe Annie PH Vlogs, and like and comment. And of course, if you want to share my video, it's okay. And thank you so much that you share my video, and especially to my new viewers and my new subscribers. Thank you so much, guys. Appreciate it. To all my friends, thank you so much to support my channel, guys, for Annie PH Vlogs channel. And thank you for watching, and more power. God bless us all, and happy weekend, guys. And again, thank you. Have a nice day. And I love you all, guys. This is Sunny PH Vlogs.